Picture the 18th century, a time when the concept of machines mimicking human movements was born, giving rise to the first mechanical automata. It was a period of innovation and exploration, where thinkers and craftsmen turned their hands to the creation of intricate, lifelike machines. These early pioneers of robotics were not creating the sleek, sophisticated robots we know today, but rather, they were crafting mechanical marvels that were the forerunners of modern robotics. Among the earliest examples of these mechanical automata were simple clockworks. These devices, with their complex interplay of cogs and gears, were a testament to the remarkable ingenuity of their creators. But the ambition of these early inventors didn't stop at timekeeping. They dreamed bigger, envisioning machines that could mimic the movements and tasks of humans. This ambition led to the creation of intricate mechanical figures or automata that could perform a variety of tasks. Some could write, others could play musical instruments, and still others could mimic the movements of animals or humans. These were not mere toys or curiosities. They were the first steps towards the automation of tasks, a concept that would revolutionize industries centuries later. The birth of mechanical automata in the 18th century represented a significant leap forward in the understanding and application of mechanics. These early robots were a blend of art and engineering, demonstrating that machines could be designed to mimic the complexity and versatility of human movements. These ingenious devices were not just a novelty of their time, they were the precursors to the industrial machines of the future. By demonstrating that machines could be designed to perform specific tasks, these early robots paved the way for the development of more advanced machines. And as we moved into the 19th century, the stage was set for the next revolution in robotics, the era of industrial robotics. These ingenious devices were just the beginning, setting the stage for the Industrial Revolution. Fast forward to the 20th century, the Industrial Revolution brought robotics onto factory floors. This transformative period saw the birth of industrial robotics, a paradigm shift that would forever change the way we manufacture goods. The seed of automation in manufacturing was planted with robots being designed and programmed to perform repetitive tasks. These weren't the humanoid figures we think of when we hear the term robot. Instead, they were large, robust machines, capable of performing tasks with a precision and consistency that human workers couldn't match. From painting cars to assembling electronics, these robots tirelessly worked around the clock, without breaks or shifts. Their introduction into the manufacturing process marked a significant leap in productivity and efficiency. They could work faster, longer, and with fewer errors than any human worker. But it wasn't just about speed and efficiency. The advent of industrial robotics also meant safer working conditions. Dangerous tasks that once risked human lives were now delegated to these mechanical workhorses. They took the heat in foundries, handled hazardous materials in chemical plants, and performed high-precision tasks in the assembly of tiny electronic components. And so, the wheels of progress turned. The era of industrial robotics was not without its challenges, of course. There were concerns about job displacement and the dehumanization of work. But the potential benefits, increased productivity, improved safety, and cost savings, were too significant to ignore. Innovation didn't stop there, though. The landscape of robotics was about to change once again. The machines of the Industrial Revolution were powerful and efficient, but they were limited by the technology of their time. They could only perform the tasks they were specifically programmed to do, and they did so in a rigid, predetermined manner. But as we'll see, the advent of computers in the 1970s was about to take robotics to a whole new level. This new era introduced the concept of computer control, allowing robots to perform more complex tasks and adapt to changing conditions. But that's a story for the next chapter of our journey through the evolution of robotics. Enter the era of computer-controlled robots, where technology enabled robots to handle more complex tasks. This was a time when the world of robotics took a quantum leap into the future. It was the 70s, a period marked by the proliferation of computers. And it was this technological marvel that breathed new life into the field of robotics. The integration of computer technology into robotics was a game changer. Suddenly, robots were not just mindless machines performing repetitive tasks. They were now capable of performing human-like movements with greater precision and finesse. This was made possible by computer programming, a revolutionary tool that allowed for the creation of intricate algorithms to control robotic movements. Imagine a ballet dancer executing a complex sequence of movements with impeccable timing and precision. Now imagine a robot doing the same. Its every movement dictated by lines of code, its performance flawless, free of human error. This was the reality of computer-controlled robotics, yet the significance of this development went beyond mere precision. The integration of computer technology also meant that robots could now be programmed to perform a variety of tasks. They could be programmed to assemble a car, perform a surgical procedure, or even explore the surface of Mars. The possibilities were limitless. This era also saw the development of robotic arms, a significant advancement in the field. These devices, controlled by computer technology, were capable of performing tasks with a level of accuracy and speed that was simply unattainable for a human. These robotic arms soon found their way into various sectors, from manufacturing to medicine, revolutionizing processes and improving efficiencies. In short, the era of computer control was a time of remarkable progress. It was a period that redefined what robots were capable of, setting the stage for even bigger breakthroughs in the years to come. But the real game changer was still to come: the dawn of artificial intelligence. In recent decades, advances in artificial intelligence have elevated robotics to unprecedented heights. This is a story of how machines have started to think, learn, and adapt, fundamentally changing the way they interact with the world. Picture the autonomous robots of today. These aren't just machines performing pre-programmed tasks, they're intelligent entities, capable of learning from their experiences, adapting to new situations, and tackling complex tasks with a level of precision and efficiency that was once unimaginable. It all starts with machine learning, a subset of artificial intelligence that gives robots the capability to learn without being explicitly programmed. Through machine learning, robots can analyze vast amounts of data, identify patterns, and make decisions based on their observations. It's like teaching a child to recognize shapes or colors, but on a much larger and more complex scale. Then come the advanced algorithms that serve as the brains of these robots. These algorithms, often inspired by the human brain's own neural networks, enable robots to process information, solve problems, and make decisions in real time. It's these algorithms that allow autonomous robots to navigate unfamiliar environments, recognize objects, and even interact with humans in meaningful ways. The impact of these advancements is vast and spans across various industries. In healthcare, we see surgical robots performing complex procedures with incredible precision. In agriculture, autonomous machines are revolutionizing farming practices, enhancing productivity while reducing environmental impact. In manufacturing, intelligent robots are taking on intricate tasks, driving efficiency and innovation. This is the era of artificial intelligence and autonomous robots, a time when machines are not just tools but partners and collaborators. It's a time when robots are no longer confined to science fiction but are a part of our everyday lives, transforming the way we work, live, and interact with the world. And now let's gaze into the crystal ball and explore the exciting future of robotics. The future of robotics promises a world where humanoid robots and symbiotic robots are more than just science fiction. Picture a world where robots are not just our tools but our colleagues, companions, and collaborators. That's the exciting potential of robotics. The advancements in the field point towards a future where humanoid robots are commonplace. These robots, designed to mimic human form and function, will not only perform tasks but also interact with us in a human-like manner. Imagine a robot chef that not only prepares your favorite dish, but also engages in friendly banter, or a robot nurse that provides medical care with a reassuring smile. Humanoid robots are set to blur the lines between humans and machines. But the future of robotics isn't just about human-like robots. It's also about symbiotic robots, machines that work in harmony with humans. These robots will complement our abilities, enhance our skills, and help us overcome our limitations. They'll be our partners in tasks ranging from manufacturing to space exploration. Robotics will continue to shape our everyday lives in ways we can't even imagine yet. Robots will be our assistants at work, helping us be more productive and efficient. They'll be our helpers at home, taking care of chores and making our lives easier. They'll even be our companions, providing companionship and entertainment. In the future, we'll see robots in the classrooms, helping teachers and engaging students. We'll see them in hospitals, assisting doctors and caring for patients. We'll see them in our cities, maintaining our infrastructure and ensuring our safety. The possibilities are endless. And that is the beauty of the future of robotics. It's a future that is full of potential, full of promise, and full of excitement. So here we are at the precipice of an exciting new era where machines are learning to interact with us and assist us in myriad ways. Welcome to the future of robotics.